In this video, I'll be showing you how to increase your download speed in your Steam downloads. So the first step that you have to do is to head into your task manager by typing this task manager, and then you need to click on this three-dotted icon on the top right corner of the screen. Well, the Steam application itself doesn't have a direct way of increasing their download speed, so we are doing this. Click this and then click the view and then click the expand all. Here you will see all the available running applications in your device that is currently consuming the Wi-Fi network. So I want you to click the performance here and then click this three-dotted icon again and then go to resource monitor. Here you will see the network tab. In the network tab, you can cancel out or delete any processes that is consuming the network or the Wi-Fi in such way that you are increasing or you are more prioritizing the downloads in your Steam. Just simply click on this. For example, is here. Then click the end process. So basically that's it. That's how you can increase your download speed in Steam, and thank you for listening.